Hello, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will be sharing with you some of my students' artworks after learning about scribble drawing. Introducing non-representative artwork, teaching students to create and respond without the need for imaginary. This lesson is to encourage the idea of art for art's sake, using a monochromatic and analogous color scheme. I wanted to encourage students to enjoy the immediacy of color, line, and form. That is without the need of directive of making recognizable imaginary. Now, what are monochromatic and analogous color schemes? Monochromatic color schemes use three different values of the same color. Analogous colors are a group of three colors next to each other on a color wheel, such as violet, red-violet, and red. Our brains are weird things. They want to make sense of the world, so they look for patterns in everything. If you look at the clouds, you might see the shape of a dog, even though there isn't a dog in the sky. Look at the stars and you might see the shape of a bird, even though there is no bird. Look at a car. You might think the headlights are eyes and the grill is a mouth. Your brain wants to make things orderly, so it finds order even in the most chaotic of systems.